Leapfrog Crypto here. Just a quick reminder, all the content here is purely educational, showing you how I use bots in crypto trading. This isn't financial advice, I'm simply sharing my experiences and strategies. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Happy trading! We're looking at harmonic patterns. There are many types, bullish ones like the 3 drives pattern, the 5, 0 and the 121, and bearish ones as well. You're welcome to take screenshots to capture all the Fibonacci measurements below. This is a bullish bat, a bullish black swan, and a bullish butterfly. Conversely, here's a bearish butterfly. You can see the distinct M pattern in bullish setups and the W pattern in bearish ones. These are powerful patterns to trade. For example, in the M pattern from point D, we expect the price to move back up to take the highs, making for very strong trades. Let's demonstrate a bullish Gartley pattern on Bitcoin on the 8-minute time frame. Using an indicator at the moment, it gives you an entry at $103,000 at the bottom of this candle. We've nearly hit our top target at $108,000. To draw this bullish Gartley, go to TradingView. On the left pane, third menu down, select the XABCD pattern or just a plain Gartley pattern. They're very similar. Draw in your harmonic pattern. It's important to learn these and take note. I'll switch off the indicator and there's the pattern we've drawn in, an M pattern indicating bullishness. Now let's demonstrate a bearish pattern. Switching on another harmonic indicator and removing the bullish one to avoid noise, we now see a W pattern with stop loss, entry and downside targets to short Bitcoin. These are very powerful patterns. We'll draw it back in using the XABCD pattern, forming a bearish Gartley or bearish W pattern. Switching off the indicator, we can see the W pattern, which would be bearish. This setup would look for a move down to test and maybe break the lows, while the M pattern would look for a move up to test and break the highs.